Hello guys, howdy! So just to share with you guys, so I have that follower here in TikTok, mga Dai. She's a Filipina and then she have a American partner. So they have been processing their fiance visa. They have been using this Filipino visa agency because it's very reliable and trusted. And then some of them are telling DIY is okay, but yeah, you can save some money, but the struggle is you cannot explain. But Filipino Visa Agency is they even going to help you about interview with the embassies. They're going to tell you what to do, what documents do you need. So they are not gonna let you do this alone. They are going to help you throughout the process. So you will have a very smooth process. So based on her feedback about Filipino agency, she said it's been the best. It's not even very stressful at all. It's very easy because they don't even think about what documents do we need, what requirements, where to get this. Nice if you are one of them, having a foreign partner, and then if you guys are wanting to be together, planning to be together for good, what are you waiting for, guys? Link on my bio. Good luck!